Hello. So today we will learn how to make pre-sale draft. This is a live, so this will not be used anytime. So to create a pre-sale draft, the things you need is you have to in the uh, purpose of pre-sale draft is the purpose of pre-sale draft is to provide live. The purpose of pre-sale draft is to provide an understanding of ours to our client. So let's say our client and we have a discussion. So today we will make a pre-sale draft that is useful for our conversation. So what a pre-sale draft included? So let's define then how professional the pre-sale draft is. The pre-sale draft included first of all your cover page. Next, it involved your project information summary from both parties, from the company like our company and the person in front of you, and the table of content. So all the table of content will be there. Then we will introduce ourselves, that what we do, and then we will introduce our organization overviews, like what our organization do. In that, we will organize two things. We will tell about us and tell about the client. Then we will add the purpose of the document, in which we will add that why this FRD exists, what we are going to capture, what is the expected outcome out of it. So next is that functional overview, that what are the actors and all the things, and then we will give the non-functional overview about the performance. Let's say we will give information on scalability, security, data relation, and backup. Then we will provide the assumptions and dependencies, and we will provide the integration points between them. So at the end, we will provide the reporting analytics, how we are giving it, and let's say the acceptance criteria. So all the future enhancement we will do, or any glossary. Let's say we want to introduce the glossary, that what it is mean, like API is application interface. So then we will provide the sign off, and we will provide the appendix for that. So currently, right now we will start creating our own functional relational document. So first of all, these are the things I have copied down some things. So first of all, we will just go to this page. Okay. For simplicity, I'll just delete this whole. As you know, I have deleted this whole. So now we will introduce our cover page. So we are introducing this cover page. You can introduce any cover page as you like. So I'm introducing this. You can introduce this also. You can introduce this also. You can introduce this also. So any of the cover page will work until even it is straightforward. So most of the time we will use this, or we can go down, and this is very wonderful cover pages are there. I really like this cover page because this cover page has the year function up there, so you can choose the years. We can choose that this is a 2025 document, and then we will give the document. So like functional requirement document. We can just take this thing up here, looks more natural here. So now we will provide. So first we have to provide the project name. Then we have to provide the client name, the company prepared it by, version, date, document status, and confidentiality statement. So start, we have to do that functional requirement document. We just provide that thing. We can just provide. Okay, I'm just writing. There is a guy who we are taking observatory here. So Amal. Amal is the client name. Amal Inc. Functional functional requirement document. So they want to develop a software from us. So we are taking that. So first of all, in the project document subtitle. So from here, in the quick parts, we can add Autodesk or build some parts here. So building block we can give here. We just add Lenovo. We can go to the quick parts and auto text. This thing I like. I'm keeping this thing. Some small things I want to tell you that how it works and all. So the thing is that there are some cases like uh, here quick parts we have to add. So in the quick parts where we have to add the quick parts, we have to add the document properties field. So we can add some fields here. There are so many fields up here. We can go in all and field code. So I'm just removing all the things. So first we will add the quick parts. So for cover page, these are the quick parts. So as you know, project name and these all are the quick parts. I'm just going one by one and add them in a quick part. So go. So we have here project name. We add as a quick part, and its category is general. So we add a category uh, FRD, and this FRD. Our name. here we can make different things of our own. So let's say for client name, we add a quick part here, save selection, client part, create a new category, FRD. I'm just creating a new category and inserting. Okay, client name is a quick part right now. So if I go here, client name is a quick part. If I go down somewhere, it add client name. So client name is a quick part right now. So document property, I can go and I can go in. So then there is a company name. So company name is a quick part. So I select add FRD. Let's say okay. Company name is a quick part prepared by another quick part. So these two are quick part. If I go down here, quick parts, client name, company name. So anytime you using this quick parts, what it does is actually maintaining the whole structure of the business, and it will useful for us for other parts like we want to automate this whole document. So automating this whole document can be done using this quick part. So we can create as much as want quick parts we want. Also, you can see here. So let's say you see you want to insert this. Let's say you want to insert. You want to insert this calendar. I think the calendar is inserted, but somehow it is not showing. I have to go. So as you can see, all the things automatically get inserted. So this is how we can work with the Word document easily. So building block, let's say retrospect, band-aid, round-aid. So you can go until as you see the whole calendar is being added to the situation, and it's been a very useful thing all over the world. So there are so many things you can use for making the document easy for you. Generally, people use different softwares like Inkscape or sometimes very much document generation softwares. However, Word is much more capable of doing anything you want or you imagine. So right now, what we do is we don't invest our time much more in these things. We will create a document and then we will do the things like so. This is our cover page. this is our client name, let's say. We have to give a project name. So we'll give a project name. The client want a CRUD application for data collection, for uh, managing manufacturing processes. So always take care that your project name should itself provide meaningful meaning from its name. So the company we are using is Vidor Limited, and it's prepared by Akshay Gatkar. Version and date is, let's say, V 0.1. This is the version, and the date. I'll write. I prefer the American style of working because most of the clients are from there. So I'm using. So right now our document is start. So we'll grab a confidentiality statement. So we'll grab a confidential statement. I have written the statement here. So where our company actually help us in these projects is right now we can see that this CRUD manufacturing process, I'm going and saying this, I'm just now I have written as a project name. I just do. So if I remove this, go into the quick part. That's it. That's it. So this is how we enter the data. Easily we will enter the data. So right now you can see if I go here, quick parts. The general is here, prepared one is here, prepared one. Adding the prepared one. So if I remove this, I go here and the prepared one. So here I go here and let's say company name. So I delete it and this is how I am adding. So you give here big parts company name. Now this is a client name. So just go here and save selection client name. So we are going here. Shell. So this is how we can actually prepare all things easily. It remain the part of your business. So like if this is bold, so it will keep it as bold. So now we will go down. So our our cover page data has been there. Now we can go into quick parts. You can go building block organizer. You can choose this and insert. So now you see, whenever you are inserting, Amal functional document software development has been inserted automatically. Akshay Gatkar has been inserted automatically. So if the auto text you can go, it will automatically insert the things we want to do in these requirement functions. So whatever we are providing it, it will insert these things. So I'll just go.